Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will see the programming question which was asked in TCS NQT off campus batch. So we will see the question. There is a bucket of water capacity of X liter which is supposed to fill with a mug of Y liter water capacity. Suppose we are giving X is equal to 1000 as a water capacity and Y is equal to 10 is a mug capacity. Then bucket will get full of minimum of 8 mugs, that is greater than 80% and less than 100%. So the bucket filling is to be stopped once more than 80% of the bucket capacity is filled. The amount of water taken at a time is mug is not fixed that it can be any value less than or equal to Y. Notify to stop once bucket is full, that is more than 80% capacity of bucket, and count the number of mugs poured into the bucket. And here is one note given in the program, that is that bucket capacity will always be greater than the mug capacity. So the basic inputs are 100 as a bucket capacity and 20 as a mug capacity, and the output should be like buckets full, the first line of the output, and the second line of output should be like number of mugs, like 4. Suppose 20 is a mug capacity, so we are here 80% of bucket capacity is filled, so that 20 is a mug capacity. 80 divided by 20, so it will give output as a number of mugs as a 4, and 100 is a bucket capacity. So we will see the logic in programming. So here we go. First of all, we will need scanner for taking as a input through value. Scanner stem.in. After that we have to close this statement. After that I will use here integer and the name of the variable like bucket, and I will take this value from the input. So next int, it is integer. After that I will use here bucket, then I will use mug, then I will use next int for taking values from the user. After that I will use here another data type, another data member like near full is equal to, so I will use here the formula like 80 into, so here is a bucket. After that in this formula I have to use it is divided by 100, and after that I will use as a mug capacity, we have to show that. So I will use this near full divided by mug capacity, so I will use here mug, and I will close the statement. So here we go, that is 80 into buckets. So suppose 80 into our bucket size is suppose 100, and then divided by bucket divided by 100, so it will gives the output as 80. After that it will goes to the next line, int mugs is equal to near full value is 80, and 80 divided by, suppose we are giving mug size or mug size liter, so 20 liter, it will gives output as a 4. After that I will print here this statement like bucket full as a first statement, close statement, and then in second in output line I will print that is number of mugs plus, I will use here as a mugs. I will run this. So this is just for understanding. Println as error. Here we go. I will save the program and run. Suppose I am giving here suppose 100 is a bucket size, and I will use 20 as a mug size, and the bucket full and the number of mugs are 4. Again I will run, for we will see for second condition. I will use 100, but rather than 20 I will use here as 10, so it will show the output as 8 exactly. You can change multiple parameter like 200 is a bucket capacity and 10 is a mug capacity, it will shows number of mugs. So this is the question which was asked in TCS NQT off campus drive. So if you like it, please share this video with your friends so that they can also prepare for their off campus placement.